folks, we are amidst a snowstorm here at the Conwood Lakes. This is insane.
She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around, but she grew up tall and she grew up right with them Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Well, she moved down here at the age of 18. She blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. I was introduced and we both started grooving. She said I dig it there, but I got to keep moving on. Keep moving on.
Oh. There it is. First golden of the trip. Look at this. Wow. That is beautiful. All right, folks. First fish. I mean, absolute beaut. We'll get a release on him. Nice. Wow. Look at that. There he is. Oh, into the meadow.
Yeah, guys. So there's 6 lakes, right? Guess which lake we're camping at? You guessed it.
Lake 6.
That's right.
Could be the coolest place that I've ever camped.
Easily. Yeah, for sure.
Estimate the elevation right now. We're gonna double check it. 11,200. Woo.
Figuratively speaking, we are at a very, very high elevation.
We're gonna go work it up. We're gonna catch some of these golden trout. Legend has it you can catch over 15 inches in here. So let's get to work. Got him. Big one. Big one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Dude, it's nice. Dude, it's real nice. Yeah. Yes, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, what a fish. Yeah. He's barely hooked, too.
Yo!
Look at that fish. You gotta be kidding me. All right. Welcome to our cookhouse. In here, we are sheltered pretty excellent from the wind. And it's just sweet. So we're gonna cook up this mountain house and feast up and then probably hit the hay because we got nothing else to do. So, all right, folks, it is about 7 a.m. and safe to say the wind from yesterday only picked up. So we'll check out the view here outside our tent. But yeah, pretty, but man, wish it was glass. But we're gonna get up here, make some breakfast, and then do some fishing. We're gonna go check out another lake, and then we're gonna summit a sweet little mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, little.
1,100 vertical feet. It's gonna be sick.
1,300.
What do you do?
This wind is tragic, fellas. Alright, folks, it's very windy after I exit this cave, so bear with me. But we're gonna try and catch a fish. Wow. Look at this. Oh, look at those marmots. Bro, I've gotten a hit every cast. There it is. It's okay. Just pull them out of here. You got me with a pick?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a good one coming at it. Eat it. Yeah, there he is. Nice. That's solid. Bit smaller than the last guy, but can't complain. Look at this. Wow. I mean, it's beautiful. Here he comes. Oh. Oh, there's a big one cruising. There's a good one cruising right up to it. Oh, the little guy. Oh, come on, take it. Come on. Oh, the big guy ran away. Ah, the little guy wants it pretty bad. If you can hear me with the wind, we made it to the top of the lake basin. We're fishing this lake. Alright folks, right now we're hiking to the creek inlet of this lake. It is extremely deep. We're having a hard time seeing and catching fish. We're going to test out the inlet, and then we're going to hike to the top of this mountain. If you don't believe me, keep watching. Folks, the ascent begins. No fish in this lake yet, but we're going up there. Let's go. There's no going back down that shit. Yeah, I am.
Except a little fish, but they told me swear to
sense. Yeah? All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. Nice. Nice. Oh, it's a beaut. Oh. Hold him out to the camera. Nice. There he is. Wow. Got him. Net. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Nice. Have a good day, pal. Alright, Carrick's hooked up on the spinning rod. Taking our last cute cast of the day. Oh yeah. It's California gold right there. Get a load of that. Look at that. Alright folks, we made it back to our camp. We're gonna probably just wind down, cook some dinner, and yeah, just chill out. I might throw a couple more casts right here. It's starting to calm down just a little bit, finally. A lot less wind, so yeah, that's nice, and yeah. Just finished up with dinner. Did our nightly routines, not to the fullest, but you know, brush your teeth, wash your face as good as you can, and yeah, we're gonna call it a night here. I'll give you a peek inside our tent because it's pretty sweet, and yeah, gonna call it an evening. Hopefully this isn't a rainstorm coming our way, but we'll see. Welcome.
Oh my gosh, I can believe
Folks, there's a lightning storm rolling through. Alright, come on, do it.
Get in here, it's freezing.
Alright, 10 more seconds.
Major pain.
Oh my. Wait for it.
You see the flash.
Just wait for the thunder. Folks, we are amidst a snowstorm here in the Conwood Lakes. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Dude, we're in a blizzard. Dude, it's almost the 4th of July. It's 4th of July week, but people, and we're caught in a blizzard at in the Golden Trout Wilderness.
Fine, grab your shoes.
All right, I'm putting the shoes by the rainfly. Okay.
Up we go.
All right.
He was looking kind of clutch.
Yeah. Okay, it's you just gotta scoot this into there. I think my stuff is fine. This is insane. Oh. Would you have ever expected? It's still coming. Can't really see too much. We're in the tent finally. Pretty much, we ate dinner and we came in the tent and we were ready to go to bed. We hear some thunder and lightning and film it. And 30 minutes later, it's snowing.
It's insane out here.
It's really crazy. And yeah, so now we're not like caught. I mean, I think we're safe. Like we're fine, but
we're in a blizzard.
We're in a blizzard, and it's June 30th. And that's just, yeah, crazy. But we'll see how much snow stacks up. It's definitely stacking up. I can still hear it. There's no end in sight to that storm. So, yeah, we're going to try and get some sleep, and we'll catch you guys in the morning and see what it looks like. All right, good morning, folks. There's just a tad bit of snow. It really isn't that bad. But, yeah. I mean, yeah, it could be worse, but my shoes are screwed. They were out there for a bit when it started. But it's beautiful. So yeah, we'll get making breakfast, get some fish in the bag, and then we're gonna start making our way back towards the trailhead. Fish our way back to it. So yeah, here we go. My left shoe's frozen. It's not very comfortable, but this cave sure saved us a lot of trouble. But wow, it's crazy. Looks like I might need to wait a little to fly fish. I don't think the dries are hatching right now. Yeah, there he is. Go. Nice. Oh, he came off. Dang it. Camp down. It's looking pretty good so far. We might hit that creek on the hike out. We might hit another lake on the hike out. We'll just have to see how it goes. Nice. There he is. Just flung him out of there. This is the last of our fish. This is the last fish. It's almost the size of the one on my shirt. Alright, folks. We just finished up fishing this creek. We're on our way out of here. Cottonwood Lakes. We did it. It was quite the adventure. The snow. The tall mountain we climbed, the wind was kind of extreme, but 8 miles and we'll be out of these woods. So yeah, throw the packs on and see y'all in